Hey everybody! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account. Firstly, you need to go to the Binance account that will be receiving the USDT, which could be yours or someone else's. If you're sending USDT to someone else, ask them for their USDT address. To find the USDT address on the receiving account, log in and click on Deposit at the top right. Select Crypto Deposit and wait for it to load. Next, search for and select USDT from the coin list. It's crucial to select the correct network. For example, if you choose the BSC, Binance Smart Chain network, ensure that the USDT is also sent using the same network. Copy the deposit address by clicking the Copy button next to it. Now, log into the Binance account from which you want to send the USDT. Go to Wallet, then Overview. Under My Assets, find USDT in your Assets list and click Withdraw in the Action column. On the withdrawal page, paste the previously copied deposit address into the address field. Make sure to select the same network you chose earlier, such as the BSC network. Confirm by clicking Yes, I'm sure. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and then click on Withdraw. That's it. You've successfully sent USDT to another Binance account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing. Peace.